Moving out to the second floor, this is our precision workshop. This is where critical processes such as milling and tapping are carried out on component parts. This is our CNC lathe. This robotic arm are here automatically process the parts as a hardware program, handling them with remarkable precision for superior finish. This is one of our component storage area. All finished parts are arrived here, waiting for random quality check by our technical team. This is part of our quality control procedure because it's crucial to ensure that every component that we deliver meets the required standard.